Golden setups.
What's going on, guys? Coach Focus, aka Golden Focus, here back with another video. Here to talk about how SONA did today. We're going to look at SONA's performance today. SONA is our program that generates targets for us. I've been upgrading it for the last couple of, I would probably say almost a year now, a couple of months. And it has been fantastic. It's been fantastic. So we're going to go over a SONA play that I had today. We're going to go over SONA performance. And we're going to look at the charts for NQ and some possibilities for tomorrow and the next coming future. All right, without any further ado, let's get started. All right, guys, as you can see, we're using TradingView. All right, I'm using the replay feature to play back the trade that I'm going to be showing you guys here today that I took with SONA's help, of course. And so without any further ado, we're going to go ahead and get started. The first play that I took, I didn't have the screenshots for it, but I have a screenshots for the main play that I want to show. But the first trade that I took is going to be right here. I got the alert at 12:30, and this 12:30 alert was for the target was to target either, well, it's not either, 21,564, aka the top of the 1225 candle. So let's get to that 1225 candle. Right now we are on the 1220 candle. Let's go ahead and move along. All right, here's our 1225 candle. All right, now what happens is SONA will give me the alert right when this candle closes. So let's go ahead and move that along. Boom. So as soon as this candle closed, boom, SONA gives me this alert exactly at 12:30. Says, hey, target the top of the 1225 candle. Now, I did take this play. This play was a little bit more riskier. I did MNQ, which is like 10 times less than one NQ contract. So not a lot, not a lot. I probably did 2 or 3 contracts. I didn't go heavy on that. I just wanted to be right. Sometimes we trade for that reason. No problem. So, but I understood the risk. What was the risk? You can see this red box up here. This is the supply zone. This is where prices have been having a hard time staying up here, right? So, my game plan was like this. It's gonna come all the way up to here, and it's gonna barely get up here, take out the top, and then drop tremendously. That's what I was thinking, right? And so what I did is, I put my sell or my buy order. I'm sorry. I took my play. I did my long. All right. And with Trade Evade, you got to put the opposite order in. But I look to close the order right when I take out the target, and I had another sell order up here. We're going to talk about why I went into another sell order. All right. Getting a little ahead. But anyhow, for this particular play, my target is right up here, right? I'm going to go ahead and play that out because this is what SONA gave us. All right. We haven't reached there yet. Haven't reached there yet. Haven't reached there yet. Haven't reached there yet. Bomb. All right. You guys can see, took out the target, right? Took out the target. All right. Now with that being in mind, as soon as that target was taken out, shout out to SONA, great job. I got another one, another alert from SONA. This is a scalping tool, so you got to be quick, right? As soon as you take your profits, SONA's like, hey, I got another one for you. So now this is the play in question. This is the play that I wanted to show you guys today that I took with SONA's help, of course. All right, and so SONA's letting me know, hey, this is the price target. All right, 215, 548. Or the bottom of the 1240 candle. Let's go to the 1240 candle, which is this candle right here. All right. So you can see right here, SONA target right down here. I took my entry right over here. Remember earlier I said that I was going to take a short somewhere up here. As soon as we take out this target, I was going to go ahead and short, and that's exactly what I did. I went ahead and took my entry, and this is my target. Right. Let me show you guys this in actuality. This is what it actually looked like. All right, you can see 51,423, right? I'm up about 120 bucks on this one right here, right? You can see what time it is, 12:58. Okay, you can see this is where I entered. This is the same 5-minute chart, right? I have the red box drawn up here. All right, you guys can see that. That was my entry, and it dropped quite tremendously. All right. Now, I did have my worries about whether or not it was going to bounce off the 9 and then move back up, but I had to stick to the play. My target was way down here, right? The bottom of the 1240 candle, I believe, right? Is that what it is? Yeah, bottom of the 12. This is where my target is, right? So let me close that out. All right, and this is how it played out, right? You can see that it came and took out my target. Let's see how it played out in TradingView. All right, so here it is. I'm in. Okay, we can see it pops back up. That's what we just saw. Then boom, takes out the target, and I take profits. Lovely. I took profits. Lovely. And you can see it was one contract. I went from 51.4 to 51.6, right? You can see I ended up in profit. So that's just being transparent there. All right. And that was a lovely play by SONA. A lovely play by SONA. Let's look at SONA's and again, the reason I went in, I took this play to the short. I took this play to the downside is because I had the supply zone up here. This supply zone in conjunction with SONA's hint to the downside, I loved it and I took it. And the rest of the day is history. We just dropped the rest of the day. Great trend line play to the downside, actually. For those who are able to catch it, I was calling it in the in my Discord. Yeah, I think some people took it with me. But anyhow, nevertheless, I'm going to show you SONA's. Yeah, I believe some brothers took it with me. But anyhow, what I'm going to do is show you SONA's performance for the day. All right. And we're looking at SONA's performance for the day. Look at this. 12 targets created, 11 targets hit. That's a 91.7% accuracy. All right. Average time to target, roughly around 22 minutes. It's a scalping tool, right? We're looking at the 5-minute time frame. This is today, December 5th, right? We've just been showing you that. All right. I got a video here on how to use SONA, and also here's all the targets that were reached and what time they were reached, right? So you got the stats here showing up every day. If you want to be able to see this, all right, you can go to goldensetups.com. You can go ahead and scroll down, come to the signals, real-time NQ targets. And the cool thing about this is we actually have stats here. We have stats here that you can test for yourself. We want to be transparent. You can test it for yourself. And I'm showing you how I'm using it every day. All right. And when you click on this, you come down here, it says view daily stats, and it's going to take you right here to the Discord. All right. And if you want to subscribe to SONA, you can as well. All right. I'm going to come back over here. All right. Shout out to SONA. Great job. I'm very, very, very happy and impressed with SONA. Now what we're going to do is look at some next day setups. So let me go ahead and take this off. All right. I'm going to go ahead and delete these. Look at that play. Beautiful play to the downside. This was a wonderful play that I took to the downside here. I was telling good brothers in the Discord, this is a classic play that I teach. A beautiful trend line break, taking it all the way down here. That was a play that I took. That was wonderful. And then the rest, we just channeled down the rest of the day. I hate when we just channeled down the rest of the day. Just a straight channel down all the way down. So let's look at what we can expect for the next coming days, right? Let's look at what we can expect for the next coming days. We're looking at NQ on the daily. My chart's a little messy, forgive me. All right, you can see right now what we're looking at is we're looking at a channel, right? I got a channel set up over here. All right, and you can see I got supply and demand zones on my channel. All right, and you know we bounced out of this one. We've been moving up ever since. I believe this is where we're going, right? We might have a day, I don't know, tomorrow could be a little bit of a red day, right? We could have that, but I believe this is what we're ultimately trying to reach. We're trying to get up here. This is where the sellers are. Last time we were up here, you know, what an amazing drop that we had. Right? So that's my expectation. My expectation is that we're on our way up. And I would surmise that getting up here is going to be great for long-term shorts once we get up here. But we want to wait for the actual rejection. We want to wait for candle closes back into the channel in order to take it down. And I got a lot of targets on the way down. I don't want to give up too much because we talk about that in our Discord. But that's my outlook on NQ as it stands right now. It'll be similar with ES. And with that, I'm going to say I appreciate you guys for rocking with me. You could be anywhere in the world, but you chose to be here with me. Thank you very much. Again, I am Golden Focus, aka Coach Focus, and you have an amazing rest of your day. Take care.
Golden setups.